Alrighty guys, I'm back testing the new roller guides I got on. I think I finally got them tuned in and I'm ready to go. I've already cut a couple logs, but I thought I ought to bring you guys along and show you how it's cutting. So I'm going to take the top off of this. This is kind of a funky log. It's 14 foot long, 12 inches up here and 16 inches down there, but the pith is running on an angle. So I'm going to try to just take the top off, flip it over, and then come down. I'm going to try to get a 6x6 kind of below the pith, hopefully. Let's see how flat that one is. Pretty flat, guys. It's real nice. I got one slight little dip right here. Very slight dip. Other than that, it's perfectly flat, so that's a winner. There we go. Bam. It's got some wind shake in it too, and a little rot here in the center. I'm hoping that don't go too far up. I don't know, but if I stay north of the pith, I can just about clear that wind shake too. So I'm going to cut this at about 12 1/4. See what happens. See what we're looking like. Not too good. I don't think we're gonna make it, boys. Well, yeah. I have a little wane left on it right there. It might work though. Oh, oh boy. Oh yeah, baby. I got you. I got you. Whew. Perfect. All right. It's perfect. You just have to take my word for it. Oh, that's heavy. That blade's getting pretty bad. There's a lot of dirt on this log. I saw sparks come off of it on the last cut. and I'm definitely pushing harder. So it's time to change it, really. It's still pretty flat though. Up on minor little dips over the knots, which is weird because before with the ceramics, whenever it hit a knot, it would rise up over it. Now it seems like every time it hits a knot, it's dipping just slightly. Not bad. I mean, it's acceptable, but it's not perfect. And that kind of annoys me. It's just how I am. This whole section's perfect, perfectly flat. You can see saw marks in here, tooth marks going across. That blade's pretty much done. I think I'm going to try to take that last side off and then change the blade in case I hit any more bark. That's a dull blade, 11.5-inch cut in oak. So if it was going to cut wavy, it'd be cut wavy on that for sure. For sure. So that makes me pretty happy. This thing here is about as big a log as I can do without hooking it up to the tractor to turn it. Come on. Come on, get over there. There it goes. Here we go. There's one. Oh, goody. Slides a lot better when it's cut flat. Get the bark off here. There you go. All right, changed the blade. Got a new Cook's blade on there. Gonna give that a try. I've flipped the cant up on its end. I'm gonna take a 5.5-inch cant off the bottom, and then I'll get that top out of the way with the tractor, and then I'll try to get my 6x6 out of that bottom piece. Uh-oh. A big hole in the middle of it. Big old knot hole. I don't see how I can get my 6x6 now. I don't really want that in my 6x6. Well, man, it would be just on the corner if I took it off of that side. Maybe there's hope. That looks great. Take it off that left side, that'll work. And that just about missed that big hole. Let's go see what it looks like on the other end though. That's where I usually get in trouble. Well, that bad shakes on this side. Yeah. It'll probably be okay because this funky part right here, I'll just cut that off. So we should be good. So I'm gonna get this block here out of the way real quick with the tractor, and then finish getting my 6x6 out of this, and then I'll put this back on and see what I can get out of that one. All right, I got the other can up here on the mill. I'm gonna cut a 1-inch board off the top because I got some wane I need to get rid of, and then we'll see if we can get a 2x6 or 2 out of it. It's got defects kind of scattered all over the place. It's kind of making it hard to get a lot out of it. Let's see what happens. I think what I'm gonna do is just, you know, turn this thing into a 6x6, throw the rest away. There's just too many defects all over it. No matter what I do, I can't get a really good board out of it. What we got here? I don't even know how big this is. Let's see. 8 inches. That's a shame. A little bigger, I could get 2 6x6s out of it. Oh, let's see. Maybe I could cut it into 4x6s. Let's do that. I'll make 4x6s out of it. All right, that's the end of day one of testing the roller guides. I've been sitting here all afternoon cutting logs and talking to the camera, and sitting here ending up the video, and the steer steps out 50 yards away and starts eating like I'm not even here. I'm standing here in the wide open. She don't even care. So anyway, roller guides were a big success. They cut straight all day long, no wavy board, none of these boards come out wavy today, even though I was running a dull blade there for a little while. In the past with the roller guides, if my blade was just remotely dull and I was in a 10, 12-inch log and I hit a knot, it would almost every time I'd get a big ripple. And it used to drive me crazy, so that's why as soon as these things came out, I jumped on them, and it looks like it's going to work out. I appreciate you watching. If you wouldn't mind hitting that like button and subscribing for me, I'd appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.